okay, this is kind of scary. AI is really getting better and smarter at me at recognizing floor plans. So let's take an example. I went to Google Images and Googled for Hotel Helsinki floor plan. So let's see what we got here. That was this drawing here that I downloaded. And like, look at the quality of this drawing. It's kind of hard to make up anything out of this, right? It's like, are these doors or walls or what are they? This is a very low resolution floor plan, right? But what can AI do? AI can friggin' figure it out. Okay, so it can figure out the walls, the windows, the doors out of a very, very low resolution floor plan. But what's new about it is this. Okay, let's go and because in designing wireless networks, the material of the walls makes quite a big difference, right? So let's actually see what it does. So now it kind of categorizes these different wall segments. So you see these guys are clearly the thicker walls. So yeah, let's make those guys as, I don't know, concrete. Then there's some, yeah, these might be, I don't know, metal or something. What about these guys? Clearly drywall, right? So I'm gonna keep them as heavy drywall just to be sure. Elevators, windows, doors, exterior wall. Jeez, man, this is pretty good. This is pretty good. So let's just auto draw them. There we go. And not only does it recognize where the walls are, but it recognizes the different wall materials, such as, yeah, here's a thicker load-bearing wall versus here are the toilets. And from this resolution of a floor plan, this is just crazy how good it is. Let's quickly do another one. Okay, so another Hotel Helsinki. I didn't know Helsinki has a Marriott or even had a planned like airport Marriott, but sure, I'll take it. So let's put that in here. It was this guy, right? So we'll drag that in, see what kind of a floor plan it is. There we go. All right, a pretty typical Nordic hotel type of a floor plan. Okay, the scale has been determined by AI. The boundaries of the building have been detected by AI. Let's take a look at the walls. There we go. Okay, so there's the elevators, the walls, the windows, everything. All right. What else? Can it differentiate some of the materials? Is there even a difference? Yeah, these guys clearly are the walls separating the rooms from one another. So maybe let's just put them as, I don't know, metal or brick or something like that. And then these guys clearly are indeed drywall. Then there's elevator stuff like that. So that looks pretty good. The doors are these guys. Yeah, windows, that's good. Doors, concrete. Yeah, it figured out most of it. Let's see. Yeah, it's pretty crazy how good it is. And then we can, of course, do the actual work that this tool is, supposed to do, which is, I don't know, design a Wi-Fi network, put the access points on the hallways, see how they don't really go through the elevators, but they go through the doorways quite nicely, or sorry, through the hallways and stuff like that. Okay, let's try the auto planner. Start the auto plan. Yeah, just do it. There we go. That's not a bad hotel plan at all. That's it. So to summarize, detect not just like exterior walls, interior walls, elevators, doors, all of that, but also the different materials. And this is from a friggin' JPEG, okay? There's no CAD files. There's no even layered PDF. This is from JPEG, PNG, CAD file, PDF, anything you have, even a picture of the fire escape plan. Crazy.